easy. There are 4 riffs which I want to show you, which I need to show you because they are so cool and so much fun to play. And in this video I will show you riff number 1 and riff number 2. In another video I will show you riff number 3 and riff number 4. So make sure to check out the second part of this tutorial, which you will find in the video description. This is very important to get to know all the cool stuff. So let's start out with the first riff. We start with an E power chord. Yeah, what a chord. I play that with a little bar here, 2nd fret A and D string with my index, and I hit the E, A and D string. And after I played it, I mute it. Good that I say muting, because with my index, the back of it, I mute the G, B and E string a little bit, so I can really hit all the strings really hard without hearing something like... That's not it. I try to hit only E, A and D, but sometimes you hit all the other strings too and you don't want to let them ring. So really hard, and after you played it, mute it by muting it with your picking hand, with the palm of it, and I just lift my finger a tiny little bit and put the others on the string so nothing sounds anymore. So then we go to the D power chord, or D5. Kind of looks like the normal D major chord, index, 2nd fret G string, ring finger, 3rd fret B string, and I hit the A, D, G and B string, down, up, down. And I mute with my thumb a tiny little bit the low E string so I can hit it without hearing it. So it's... And then we do the same as we did before with the E minor chord, a tiny little bar chord here, with the index again on the 2nd fret on the D and G string. So we got the A power chord played with the A, D and G string. Down, up, down. So it's E, D and A. 2, 3. Again, let's do it just the chords. And don't forget about the muting. After you played the chord, mute, mute, mute. And then we got the first lick. It's 3rd fret E string. I play that with an upstroke and the ring finger. Then open E string, and then let ring the E string while playing 3rd fret B string. With an upstroke again and downstroke, open string. You get the idea? And then 2nd fret G string, you do a bending, you hit it down, release the bend and pull off. Just hit it once down. The second time, we got a second riff, or lick. It's based around the 2nd fret of the A string, play downstroke, and then with an upstroke, 4th fret E string with the ring finger, and then it's 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. And you kind of like can slide into those notes because they're pretty high here. Okay. D and then A, or lick number 1. Now comes lick number 2. 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. Lick number 1, and lick number 2, just now, and damn black, I hit the set. You know, this is the intro and what's played when you're coming to the verse. So, next riff would be the chorus. Okay, we start with the A power chord and go to the E power chord, and then we go to the B power chord, which is played with the index in the 2nd fret of the A string and pinky or ring finger in the 4th fret of the D string. So it's A, E, B, and then lift up the index, play the open A there, while still holding 4th fret D string, pretty cool chord. Back to the B. So it's A, B, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, B. Okay? Then we go to G, which is played this time with middle finger, 3rd fret E string, and then you mute the A string, open D and G string, 3rd fret, B string with the ring finger, go over to the D chord, A, and then you do just the E string, 3rd fret with the middle finger, bending, and go to the A power chord. So, G, D, A, D, A, G, D, A, D, A. And this whole part is played legato. What does this mean? Don't play it like this. Play it like this. Okay? And by the way, don't use too much gain on your amplifier. Just a tip, just a crunchy, kind of like cleanish, crunchy-ish sound there. So, the whole part goes like this. A, B, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, B, G, D, A, G, A, G, D, A, G, back to A, B, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, B, and then we go to G, D, D, D. And that's the 2nd riff. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Okay? So, the whole thing. A, B, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, B, G, D, A, G, A, G, D, A, G, A, A, B, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, B, from the top. And so on. Another verse there. So, if you want to learn riff number 3 and 4, which are still missing here, make sure to check out video number 2 of this video series for Back in Black by AC/DC. And if you're new to the world of guitar playing or just picked up the guitar again after it lay in the attic for 20 years, shame on you. But good that you picked it up again. No worries. Make sure to check out my free lessons, which you find in the video description below this video. It will give you a good example on how to hold a pick, how to grab a chord properly, how to make music with a couple of chords and play a lot of songs with those chords. A lot of fun there. Make sure to check that out. It will help you to guide through the jungle of guitar playing. And thanks for tuning in. My name is Hannes, and we see us back in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.